Hey, it's Pro here. Today I will be making another design video. Today I will be designing something that's unlike all my other designs that I've made in my design videos. I will be designing some Grossery gang scenery. Sceneries from the Christmas skies that look like this. Although it's not Christmas time, I thought it'd be pretty fun to design something like this. I'll also challenge myself by creating hills in Tinkercad, because in Tinkercad you can create different shapes with other shapes you can't really sculpt. So let's get right into the video. So here's the print. It came out pretty well. Here's a full look around. So these craters right here where I'm going to put the ornaments. So here are the ornaments. You can see that there are several changes. I changed the color of the green to make it more accurate like the actual green ornament. In the red, I just kept it as planned. So you can also see that this is half of a sphere, unlike the one that I had printed earlier. This is because when I kept printing this, it would disform from like a circle into something else and it wouldn't fit in the crater. So I had to make a change of plans to where it print out perfectly, and this was the only way to do it. Then I'm gonna glue on the ornaments. Now I've added this right here. It looked a little bit plain, so I just decided to add that on the bottom. And if you didn't notice earlier, I added some fly decorations like in this area. And overall, I see this as a pretty good model that's unlike any other thing that I've designed on this channel before. And that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and see you later.